Now I know you're keen to get on the road, but here's a safety checklist to get through before you get going. So step one, your coupling. This particular van is fitted with a DO35 Cruisemaster hitch. What identifies the 35 is this yellow reflector on the front. The 45 will have an orange one, and we'll show you that in another video. So now we've reversed the car back. What we need to do, keep our hands clear and wind the jockey wheel down. This will then go straight over to your DO35. Keep winding until you've taken all the pressure off your jockey wheel. Once you've wound your jockey wheel down and you clip it onto the car, you press this red button and listen for the sound. Once that's in, this goes on and clips into place. It's a little bit of a safety feature to show that your DO35 is fully clipped in and ready to go. So your next step would be putting your safety chains on. They're just hooked up onto here. Bring them down. Make sure you got your D shackles that are rated. Cross them over. You don't want them hanging too low, but you don't want them too high, and allow for cornering. And tighten these up. So this next step is your breakaway system. This connects to the car, but what the breakaway does, if for whatever reason your caravan does disconnect from your car, that pulls out and locks your brakes on your caravan. So with this next step, you clip on your breakaway system and make sure your D-shackle goes back into place. So the next step is connecting your 12-pin plug and your Gray Anderson plug. You plug them in. So this plug here is for your Safety Day reverse camera. If you have it fitted to your car, it plugs in and you can see when you're driving and reversing. For this next step, there is two parts to it. Take your handbrake off and then take your jockey wheel out of the bracket and store it wherever you want. For this one, we're going to put it in the toolbox at the front. Do your bracket up. So you've got two 9-kilo gas bottles on the front here. Make sure they're secured and the valves are closed before traveling. Make sure all your legs are up and facing the rear of the caravan. Make sure your awning is latched, all your tunnel boots are closed, your picnic table's closed, and your door's locked. Next step, which is very important, is to make sure your wheel nuts are torqued to 135 Newton meters. Your next important step before you check your lights and take off is making sure you adjust your red arc brake controller to the correct setting. The setting will depend on how heavy your van is, how big your car is, so you choose your own settings. One of the final steps before you take off is making sure all your lights are working. Now this is easier and should be done with two people. You want to check your brakes, indicator right, indicator left, hazard lights, and also your clearance lights. As I mentioned, it is easier and better off having two people because they can yell at you and tell you what to do. Right, left, brakes, clearance lights, and hazards. So we're set to go. So that's it. 5 minutes is all it takes before every single trip.
Do it every time, safety doesn't take a holiday. So click the link below
and we'll help you get to your next adventure.